Hi and welcome, I'm Marisa. For all the Star Wars fans out there, including my son, I have finally made a piano tutorial and arrangement of the main Star Wars theme. I hope you enjoy it. As a reminder, I move along quickly through note names, then fingering, and then rhythm and counting. My intention is that you will take this lesson step by step, pausing the video as you learn just one measure at a time. Go back and watch the same section again on the video until you've mastered that part before you can continue on with the rest of the video. And if you have any questions along the way, post them in the comments. Thank you, and let's get started. All right, the right hand for Star Wars begins on G below middle C. Here's middle C. You'll start on G. So we have a triplet, which means 3 Gs, or 3 notes played within one beat. And we'll be playing Gs. So we have, and then reach with finger 2 to C. And then we have G, then F, E, D, C, high C, G, crossover, F, E, D, high C, G, crossover again, F, E, F, D, back to our low Gs, C, G, F, E, D, high C, G, F, E, D, high C, G, F, E, F, D, back to low G, then A, F, E, D, C, C, D, E, D, A, B, G, G, F, E, D, C, G, D, G, G, F, E, D, C, C, D, E, D, A, B, then high G, high C, B flat, A flat, G, F, E flat, D, C, G, low Gs, G, C, G, F, C, G, F, E, D, C, G, F, E, F, D, G's, C, G, F, E, D, high C, G. Then our ending section, high C, B flat, A flat, E flat, D, C, finishing on lower middle C. Now the fingering for the right hand. Our beginning Gs will be played with our thumb, or finger 1. So we have 1, 2 on C, 5 on G, then bring finger 3 to F, 2, 1, 5 on high C. Now your thumb on G, cross over finger 3 on F, 3, 2, 1, high C, 5, then 1 again on G, cross over, 3, 2, 3, 1, back to low Gs, 1s, 2 on C, 5 on G, 3 on F, 2, 1, 5, now 1 on G, cross over 3, 3, 2, 1, 5. 1 on G, cross over, 3, 2, 3, 1. Then low Gs, 1, 1, 2. Then play that same A with finger 1 this time. Then 5 on F, 4, 3, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3. 1 on A, 2 on B. Then Gs, then A. Repeat that A with finger 1. Then this time reach 4 to F. 4, 3, 2, 1, 5 on G, 2 on D. Back to Gs, then A. Repeat that A with finger 1. 4 on F. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2. Then move your second finger up to G. G, G. Then 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then cross over finger 3. Then 5. And then 1 on low G. Then 2 on C. 5 on G. Third finger F. 5. 1 on G. 3 on F. 5 on C. 1 on G. 3 on F. Back to ones. 2 on C. 5 on G. 3 on F. 5 on C. 1 on G. Now for the ending. Finger 4. 4, 3, 2. 5 on E flat. 4 on D. Then we finish 3 on C. And then thumbs, low C. Now we'll go over the left hand notes, and I'll play the right hand along with it, but I'll just call out left hand notes. I'm going to move my right hand actually up an octave. So before we were playing around middle C with right hand, we're going to move up to treble C to give our hand some space and distance so we don't bump into each other. So left hand will be C and G, bass C and G. And for the first 3 measures that it plays, we just oscillate between C and G, C and A, C and G, C and A with fingers 1 and 5. So it sounds like this. Here's C and A, then C and G, C and A, C and G. Then move my 5th finger to B flat, 2nd finger to F, and then I have, and then I play B natural on bottom, with the flat is canceled, and G on top. Then I go back to the beginning section, C and G. This time I'm going to move my pinky down to B with G, then A and F, G and E, back up to A and F, G and E. Then B flat and F again, this time fingers 1 and 4, B natural and G, fingers 1 and 5. Then I'm going to move down to low F with C on top. Then A in the middle with finger 3. G with finger 4. 1 and 5 again on F and C. Then B flat with finger 3. B natural, finger 2. F and C again. Then A in the middle. G with finger 4, then we have 1 and 4 on E flat, A flat together. Then G and D together. Back to C and G, starting points. Repeat that. Then C and A. Repeat to G, C and A, C and G. 1 and 4, B flat and F. Then B natural and G. C and G, repeat, B and G, A and F, then G and E. Then we have, here's the A flat and E flat together. So here we go. Again, down to G and D. We're going to finish with low C octave. Now we will put it all together with our counting and our rhythm. So our smallest note values, we have more eighth notes where the beat is divided in half, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. But we also have triplets, and that's where we're not just fitting 2 notes into one beat, but we're fitting 3 notes into one beat. And that happens often in this theme. And in fact, our very opening notes are a triplet. So there are 4 beats in a measure. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1,